wish everyone a happy new year. Today, I will not criticize the efforts of His Excellency Governor, but I would like to add some few points which needs to be intervened. Sir, I would like to thank the government that the government will establish pharmacies and also staff quarters, which I mentioned in my application earlier for my constituency. But I would like to talk about the whole state, because PHCs and CHCs cannot work with only 2 or 3 doctors, without no permanent pharmacies. So, taking care of the health, let the government decide to recruit more doctors and let the crowd of GB, IGM and other hospitals also decrease. If the primary level and the CHCs and PHCs, the patient remains up to the primary level, then there will be less crowd in town hospitals. When the government launches any schemes or any projects, let the government consult the evidence first. Why I am saying this? Because the villagers know what they need, not someone who is staying kilometers away from the evidence. The villagers know what is their requirement, not some politicians, not some leaders, or not some officers. So any kind of projects or any kind of schemes, let the people be aware first. Let the inhabitants know what they are getting and what they will get. This will be my request. I am saying this because our offices, especially primary level offices, there is no guarantee. You have to accept that there is no guarantee in the primary level offices. Some officials are even entertaining politicians. This is the reason I will say that please train such kind of professionals. There is a training institute, SIPAR. In this training institute, you can train them so that they know the work culture, they know the ethics, what they are going to do, what they will do for the people. Simply entertaining politicians, this is not the ethics of their job. And I can say that about 50% of the problem of the indigenous people of Tripura will be solved when the employees do their duties, when the employees do their jobs with faith. This is what I will say. When the government has taken steps on adopting e-office, let it be foster transparency. Let the primary level officers be clear with all the initiatives. Let the office learn to research for solving complex, unstructured problems in real-time basis. Here the government has addressed the quality education of universities and colleges. It's fine. But please also introduce journalism and mass communication in colleges. Please recruit more faculty members in universities, colleges. There are lots of vacancies. You say be engineers, ST engineers, about 100 posts are left. So let it be filled. And especially university, I am saying, let it not also violate the regulations of UGC. We need more professors in university. As per the report, it is not sufficient. There is a long gap of recruitment in universities also. And we are talking about the agriculture and allied sector, farm mechanism, animal safety and insurance. Please look into the matter of wild elephants also, especially in Puja and other nearby areas. Many crop lands and many household people are being damaged. People's houses were being damaged by wild elephants. So the government also should take proper measures. They should deploy more volunteers, wild elephant watchers, wild elephant agriculture, sericulture, I would like to also say that beside the extension of rubber plantation in areas of the beneficiaries, please improve the cost and price of rubber also. This will help the indigenous side of the state. When the government has addressed about the agricultural sector in my area, in my constituency, at Naikamchora, there is a cluster office of agriculture and heavy grass also, but it's not functioning. If it functions, many women and many weavers and artisans will be benefited. So kindly, I would like to ask the department to guide and look into it. I would also like to hear a few on government comprehensive plans on tourism. In my constituency, there is pilgrimage. There is a holy pilgrimage which is called Puja. Every year in the month of April, thousands of devotees come. The program is to be held for 2 days. But there is no road, there is no water. It's at the top of Tongmani. Thousands and thousands of people come. They have requested me also that government should look into it. So, I think the tourism department or the concerned minister who holds the portfolio will look into it. After the government had introduced Swadesh Darshan scheme, the smart city Agartala, this is very important. I'm talking in the house. The smart city Agartala constructed a toilet, septic tank inside Puja Village, which is the pride, which is the heritage of a state. So, can you just imagine what kind of peanut-sized water break that employees are having? When air Puja is being done, how can you even think of building, constructing a toilet, a septic tank? This is not going in the right way. So, this is why I am saying that how will we take pride